Auer Bosch LLC saw the importance of meeting Tier 4 emissions several years ago and invested quite a lot of efforts and resources in developing exhaust gas treatment systems. Obviously, they could see how it was going to be required and also how it could be implemented efficiently and effectively for our customers, not only for off-highway but also on-highway products. When we're talking about Tier 4 emissions, obviously we have to start someplace, a baseline. The baseline is going to be a very efficient fuel injection system. You see here a very high-pressure Bosch system, a high-pressure pump, high-pressure fuel rail, solenoid-driven injectors. Obviously, it's very important to have very high pressure in order to atomize the fuel properly to get the most efficiency and the most power out of the diesel fuel. So starting there, we have to have an efficient engine, we have to have an efficient burn and clean burning system before we move on to our exhaust gas treatment system that's going to give us even further NOx reduction and also achievement of Tier 4 emissions. When we have a full exhaust gas treatment system, we're able to tune the engine much more efficiently. And this way, we can actually get better fuel economy from the engine. We can have less NOx emissions, meet Tier 4 emissions, and altogether it's a win-win for the emissions, also for the fuel economy, and also for better power and better torque from the engine.